Attention Chick-fil-A sauce lovers, there's a product at your local Walmart that supposedly tastes just like Chick-fil-A sauce. It's time for some thorough research. Gone to the drive-thru to get the original. I'm not really a Chick-fil-A sauce, expert. I'm more of a purist, I'm more of a ketchup and a little mayo on my sandwich kind of girl. I don't really ever get the nuggets. So if I did, I would probably explore more sauces. I mean, I have had this. It's tasty. There's always, kind of a question as to what is it? Is it like honey mustard mixed with barbecue sauce, mixed with a little mayonnaise? I think that's what Chick-fil-A sauce is. But now, at local Walmart, you can get chicken dipping sauce. Of course, you can always go to Chick-fil-A and stock up on sauces, but you can keep this in your fridge for desperate times, So we're going to do a little side-by-side taste test. All right, so here it is. This was like less than $1.50. So that's good. Let's figure out what Chick-fil-A sauce is all about. Okay, right off the bat, it is a little bit lighter than this one. Not much, but a little bit. So if this is indeed barbecue sauce mixed with the Chick-fil-A sauce, then it's probably just a little more barbecue heavy. Now you can't just taste it by licking it. You have to try it with some Chick-fil-A. It's a little early, so can only get the chicken minis. I guess you would just want this if you just want to always have Chick-fil-A sauce on hand. And some people feel stingy getting a bunch of sauces at the restaurant. Maybe you want to put it on everything. All right, here we go. First, I'll try the OG Chick-fil-A sauce. Sweet. It is pretty good. I mean, I can see how people can kind of be addicted to that. It's probably not the best thing for us. Let me cleanse my palate. Now let's see how the Great Value compares. Also kind of just wanted an excuse to eat Chick-fil-A today. Yeah, the color's not too far off. It does. It does taste very similar. Let me go back in. Back to Chick-fil-A. They are eerily similar. I almost can't tell the difference. I thought it was going to be a little easier for me because the colors are a little different. Okay, one more test. I'm trying to pick out a difference if there is one so that I can report to you. Okay, that bite was maybe a tad, like a tiny bit more tangy, like I guess a little more barbecue saucy than the Chick-fil-A. Let's look at the ingredients. Chick-fil-A sauce is barbecue sauce mixed with water, mixed with mustard, and then it breaks down the barbecue sauce ingredients. So I'm gonna show you what these two sauces look like side by side on a nugget and see if you can tell the difference. So you can see the color difference, or can you? This is Great Value, and this is Chick-fil-A sauce. Consistency is the same, color is just slightly off. At the end of the day, Great Value has a very, very close copycat Chick-fil-A sauce. If you are craving this all the time, then you need to purchase a bottle of this to keep on hand because this will definitely satisfy the craving. There you go. There is your Chick-fil-A research of the day. Good job, Walmart.